After uploading the document, you can view it in the view, and it can give you a summary of what you have uploaded. Now this document is uploaded by the patient, so the relevant roles in the clinic will respond to this. The first response could come from either from the provider or from the front desk or from the admin. This is front desk. It has a document intake option. Then there is a provider. It also has the same functionality. So this was the document which was submitted by the patient. And this is the owner portal. In the provider portal, if you are the owner and also the provider, then you have both kind of permissions. But if you are only the provider and you are not the owner, so in that case your permissions are limited to your role. Let's see what permissions are available for the provider. Here we are getting the detail, and we can either accept this document, or we can reject, archive, or we can enroute it to the relevant persons. So what we are going to do is that we will accept this. But let's see how admin owner sees this. The same document, he can review it, and he can route it, add more context, can reject with a clear message, can add internal notes. Let's move forward and see what are the options for the front desk officer for this document. This document is not available for the front desk officer. It is because of the status of the type of document. You remember when we uploaded the file, we clearly mentioned that it is a prescription or medication document. Therefore, the front desk don't have the privilege to view such document. For front desk officer, there could be other documents which the front desk officer can view. For example, identity documents, consent forms. If you are uploading other clinical documents, then based on the type of documents, we can respond and we can finalize who can enroute it. Most of the time, the front desk officer is only allowed to view the metadata, so he can take the decision that where this file should go. We have successfully applied the filters, and these filters help us to sort what is needed. For example, now we can sort, we can filter them based on the statuses, we can based on their appointment types, and we can also set a custom range. This will help us to filter values without specifying a single day. By default, when we select a day, it gives the value of that specific day. For example, if we go to 29, you see it provided some values. On 30, there are very few, and we can cross-check this in our calendar table. So let's try this one on 29th of June. We want to filter so now we have only completed filter. You see, now we can simply see if we are interested in knowing that if certain patients have done the payments, are they own, are they for what kind of provider, what were the target provider they were visiting. So it kind of help us in that kind of scenarios, and it is present alongside the calendar, so it's help us. I have also added the bulk action. Right now we are only allowing to bulk update, so we can bulk update status, reason for cancellation. If someone is saying But in the future, we may add other functionalities to, for example, on a specific day, we notice that a specific provider is not available. So we can simply select all those appointments of the providers and send them a message that they need to be scheduled, or we have rescheduled their appointment. So this is one of the scenario where it is useful. We have also designed a specific layout for the desktop, so it is easily scannable and an important feature I have added is this resizable part, which allows you to resize it as per your wish. So if you feel that it is a little more congested, you can expand it. It can be helpful for user experience.